Please give a warm welcome to André van Hall.
Let's have some fun today. Today I hope to have some fun and have some interaction and spend the morning together learning, maybe to think a little bit differently. So I've got some goals for today. And the first goal is curiosity. You know, and I truly think that the curiosity gets beat out of us in our lives. As we are curious about things, in our childhood, it's encouraged, but as we start to grow a little bit older, people telling us, okay, stop asking questions. Do the way I tell you to do. And my hope is you go home today, after we spend the morning together, is that you will have a different approach to curiosity. So blindness is not my enemy, but how I deal with it is. So when change comes to your life, my hope is that when we're done today, you will think differently about change. And instead of being afraid of the change, you will be afraid of how you choose to handle that change. I chose to laugh instead of cry. And I know that some changes that happen in our lives, it's very hard to laugh about them. But you know that humor is part of the healing process. Humor is what carries you over. And for me, humor is so important. You know, and when I was working in hotels and working in clubs, I always tried to find a way to have fun and to enjoy what we're doing by doing things that was the unexpected. Don't accept the world that you get. Make the one that you want. That is truly up to you. Make the club that you want. Okay? Because, you know, wake up your curiosity, because you are the only one that is responsible on how the world perceives you. And I'm going to leave you with a challenge. Because I hope that the next time that you think of the Declaration of Independence, I want you to be a little bit dyslexic. And I want you to think of it as having the inalienable right to life, liberty, and the happiness of the pursuit. Thank you very much.